Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to play different gaming console games in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Lemoroid. And the first list will see the application, just click on it, click on install to install this application. Now just click on display. Now it will ask you some permissions, thus allow all the permission, click on enable, click on allow. Now just click on the select directory. Now select the folder where you have saved the games, that is the different ROM games. So you can search in the Google like ROM games and you can download it on your Android smartphones. So I've already downloaded it. So let me select the respective folder where I have download and saved and click on this use this folder. Click on allow. Now you can see it will auto scan and detect all the supported gaming console games as you can see here. So now you can click on the respective game in order to play it. So you can see here below here different buttons. Now click on the respective buttons. So you can use the up, down, right, left button also in order to select the options. And in order to select, just click on this A. Now in order to play, you can use the right and left button. So you can see here. And in order to jump, you can use the A. You can see. So you can see it's working perfectly. And if you want to exit it, just tap and hold on these three horizontal lines. And now you can just save the game, how much you played. You can load it or you can quit it, that is to close. You can see here. So it's working perfectly. Now you can play all the supported gaming console games inside this Lemoroid application. So by using this cool application named as Lemoroid, you can easily play different gaming console games in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.